Radio.
Yeah. Mitten Mayhem Radio. Alright. We got a special guest tonight, man. It's actually a good thing. I feel like summertime in here tonight, don't it?
It does.
I got Mrs. Ayanna Neal.
Good evening, Lansing.
Hey, welcome.
Thank you.
Appreciate you coming through.
Me.
Yeah, no doubt. Of course. That's what we're here for.
I appreciate the Lansing love.
Okay. So we're going to get right into it. You are now currently running for
54A Lansing District Court Judge.
Okay, that's cool. That's live.
Thank you.
All right. For those in the capital city, why don't you give us a little bit of history and your background?
All right. I am a Lansing native, a graduate of J.W. Sexton High School. Big Reds in the house.
Yeah, that's what I'm talking about.
Yes, and then I went to the University of Michigan. Go Blue.
Oh, wow. See, we was doing good for a second.
We did win today.
Okay.
And then I went to Cooley Law School, so I've been a practicing attorney for 17 years.
Ah, okay.
I currently serve as an assistant prosecutor with the Ingham County Prosecutor's Office, and I've been there for almost 15 years.
Okay.
So I've worked in all the courts in the county. I've literally handled thousands of cases, from misdemeanors to homicide cases.
Okay.
And I currently serve as our county's major drug prosecutor.
Okay.
For 9 years, I also served as the arson prosecutor, and I've had several other special assignments.
Okay, good. All right, so what made you actually take the step to decide that you wanted to run for the judge position?
Well, we have a judge who's retiring, Frank DeLuca, so it's an open seat, and I decided to run because of my experience. I've handled all the types of cases that our district court handles, and because I care about people in the community and I want to make a positive change in our judicial system.
Yeah, that's very important.
Yes, it is. Because people need help. We need change. Yeah,
no doubt. And there's also a lot of people that don't really have that much faith in the system because they feel like it's not fair, you know?
Yes, oh, absolutely. I see that every day.
Yeah.
And there needs to be diversity, too. So a couple of things that I want to do in terms of change is I want to have a drug specialty court in Lansing.
Okay.
We don't currently have one, so that would entail people who are addicted to drugs, them getting treatment during probation. And if they successfully complete the treatment plan, they won't end up with a felony conviction on their record.
Ah, okay.
And then two other things that are really important to me that I want to focus on are education and good and stable job employment for people.
Yeah, very important.
Yes, it is. I've seen a direct correlation between the lack of education, the lack of good and stable jobs, and criminal activity.
Okay.
And so people who come before the court, if they're placed on probation and don't have their education, I will absolutely order that they either finish their high school diploma or get a GED. And then for people who come before the court and are placed on probation, if they don't have good and stable job employment, I will order that they participate in a work-seek program or some sort of vocational or skilled trades program so that they can earn a skill set and become employable.
Oh, yeah.
Because when we treat those things, the educational piece, training for jobs, and addiction treatment, then people are successful. People either won't offend or they won't re-offend.
Yeah. Those are some nice ideas.
Thank you.
Yes, okay. So, we're going to actually get into a couple of these records.
Fantastic. I love music.
Yeah. Okay, we're going to play a couple songs and we'll get back. We'll chop it up a little bit more.
Okay, looking forward to it.
Ayanna Neal, Mitten Mayhem Radio.
It is not.
Okay. Mitten Mayhem Radio, we back. Mrs. Ayanna Neal in the building. What's good with you?
We're back.
We back.
We're back.
You had to take a little break, drop some fire, you know.
Yes.
Okay. November 6th.
Yes.
Is the date, the magical date, right?
Absolutely. Election day.
Okay.
Yes, everybody get out and vote.
Very important.
Very important. We had ancestors who died, literally died, for us to be able to have the right to vote. Every vote counts. Please, people, get out and vote.
Okay.
Your vote is your voice.
Yes. 54A, Lansing.
Yes, District Court Judge.
Okay.
Please remember to vote for me, Ayanna Neal. It's on the nonpartisan part of our ballot.
All right.
Ayanna Neal for 54A Lansing District Court Judge. Also, if you want more information about me, you can check out my website, AyannaNealforLansing.com.
Yeah, we got some real nice plans in store.
Thank you. I want to help people. That's my main focus, is getting people help, providing people with tools so that they can be productive members of the community.
Yep. Everybody bump their head.
It's important. That's right.
Yep.
Yeah, people need help. People need second chances. People need compassion. And so that's what I want to do. That's what I want to provide the people with: help, compassion, with integrity and justice.
No doubt. Glad you came on tonight.
Thank you, Ward. I appreciate you for having me on the show. I've enjoyed myself listening to the music and talking to you and the people.
Of course. Appreciate you.
Thank you.
517-483-1000 is the number to call, man. If you got any questions that you want to ask off of the air, feel free. We're going to kick it for a minute. And, that's what it is. November 6th.
Yes, get out and vote.
Mitten Mayhem Radio. Appreciate you once again. Thank you.
Thank you.
All right.
D-Block. D-Block. You with me, Luch? You know what, nigga, yeah, I know. Shit. You know why we do this, right? Why's that, dog? Make these against